Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, class.
My name is Nubila Vanessa, and I'm presenting on the topic Probability 1. I hope last week our teacher Mark John said that we should research on the topic Probability 1. I hope you've all done that.
Yes.
Suggested solutions. And you have the suggested solutions.
Yes.
Okay. We will start with Ben presenting to us on the topic that he has in his end. Okay, you Ben.
Okay, I've learned about experiment.
And then what is at your end?
Experiment is an activity in the form of demonstration that is undertaken to obtain facts and draw conclusions.
Please, I hope you all heard it.
No.
Please, can you come forward again?
Okay. Experiment is an activity in the form of demonstration that is undertaken to obtain facts and draw conclusions.
Please, have you heard it now?
Yes.
Then we are good to go. Please, Mr. Have
Thank you,
your
madam.
seat. Please, and then the second, we move to our young lady at the right-hand side, which is Priscilla. Please, what do you have at your end?
I learned of random experiments.
And then what does it say?
It says an experiment whose results depends on chance, meaning the results of the experiment cannot be predetermined. For instance, the toss of a coin is a random experiment because it cannot be determined by surety and certainty. The face that will show up. Similarly, the game of football is a random experiment because one cannot predetermine the outcome, whether win, draw, or lose, with certainty.
Please, I hope you all have it.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes.
Please, can you have your seat? We move to Gladys, who is the next presentation.
I learned about outcome of an experiment.
And then what does it say?
It says the results we get from an experiment is called outcome of the experiment. In tossing a coin, for instance, either the front, also called the head or back, or also called tail, is bound to show up. Hence, there are only two expectation or outcomes in the loss of a coin, meaning the head, H, and tail, T. Likewise, in the game of a football, only three outcomes are expected, mainly win, draw, or lose. The outcome of an experiment deals with numbers.
Please, what do you have at your end?
Please, at my end, I've researched on sample space of an experiment.
And then what does it say?
Sample space of an experiment. It is the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. It is defined by S. For instance, if one side of a coin is represented by H, which is the head, and the other side by T, which is the tail, then the sample space for the coin is head or tail. Simply, the sample space for a Ludo die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6.
Please, can you clap for